Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create shapes using the mask feature in CapCut PC. So you can create a lot of shapes here. You can just like add stars, heart shapes, and here, as you can see, we can also create some other shapes. So go back to basic here. I'm going to just create a four-leaved clover. You can also do that by combining hearts together into one. It does have to be a little bit spaced out a little bit for you to be able to see the four-leaf clover, I guess. But this one looks more just like a flower, to be honest, but you can just be creative with it. I'll add in like a circle here. You can also create another type of flower using circles, like a five-petaled flower, if you will. Just copy and paste the petals and place them like so. And again, in the middle, add like this. And you can also create a moon shape. So go to mask and select circle first. Right click, create compound clip. Select the circle mask again and select reverse. And you can create a moon. And you can also create the star along with it as well here. Just be creative with it. You can create some other clouds as well. And again, you can create the heart shape. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!